Hello, this is my experiment. I did the experiment for 7 days like everybody else. I did chia seeds, as you can see, chia seeds, and apple seeds. So, turns out wasn't very exciting. I was wrong on my hypothesis. Well, I was wrong on half of my hypothesis, I should say. My hypothesis was correct on the chia seeds, stating that I did not think they would grow in a beer soaked towel. Hence, this is beer here, due to the acidity in beer. Beer has a pH of about 4, which is acidic, so I was correct in that statement. Chia seeds soaked in water, the control group here. Obviously it grew. Let me get in close. You can kind of see, yeah, it definitely grew even through the towel. I don't know if you can see the roots under there, but yeah, it grew really well. And I said my hypothesis that it would germinate and grow. I measured the hypocotyl of the seed here, and I measured just the longest one I could find in length, and then I measured it in millimeters. There was obviously no competition. The overall story was that this grew, beer did not grow, and that was that. What I was incorrect about was these apple seeds. I had no idea going into this. As you can see, both apple seeds did not grow. They were both soaked in water. One was kept outside in the sunlight, one was kept inside. I guess it did not matter either way. As I was doing my research, I realized apple seeds need to go through a process called stratification. And apple seeds in particular need to be exposed to cold before they can germinate. So I'm just going to read the definition of stratification. Stratification is the process whereby seed dormancy is broken down in order to promote this germination. In order for the stratification of seeds to be successful, it is necessary to mimic the exact conditions that they require when breaking dormancy in nature. Yeah, basically that's the formal definition. But what I've learned is that I would need to probably put this in the refrigerator for 6 days or 7 days or something before I could break the dormancy patterns, and then go ahead with the germination process with the watering and putting it also in soil would have helped. So, lesson learned. No one's ever accused me of a green thumb. So, yeah, it was a fun little experiment. Actually, this is probably the first thing I've ever grown. Pretty excited about my chia seeds. They're pretty cool. But anyway, it was exciting. Oh yeah, also with the beer soaked seeds, beer also has ethanol in it, and I learned that ethanol actually can in fact kill plants. So the beer had 5.4% alcohol in it, which converts into 0.054 percentage of ethanol. So that was enough to also kill it, or not let it grow. As you can see here, the seeds are kind of slimy and just pretty squishy. They're just really sharp. But these seeds over here, the apple seeds, bouncing back and forth here, sorry, they're firm. They pretty much feel exactly like they were when I first took them out of the apple. But anyway, it was a fun experiment. Thanks a lot.